Here's a problem that drives Ram owners crazy. Your air conditioner is blowing cold from one vent and warm from another. Or you turn the temperature all the way down and nothing really changes. Or yesterday the AC was ice cold, and today it feels like the truck suddenly forgot how to make cold air. Most owners immediately think the same thing. The AC must be low on refrigerant. Here comes another expensive repair bill. But on a lot of Ram trucks, especially modern Ram 1500s, that is not always the problem. A lot of the time, the refrigerant is fine, the compressor is fine, the AC system is still capable of blowing cold. The real problem is that the climate control system has lost track of the little doors inside the dash that control hot and cold air. And when that happens, your Ram can blow warm air even when the AC system itself is working. I am Buck, 12 years as a moper dealer tech, and I have seen Ram owners spend money chasing AC problems that started with something much simpler. Today, I am going to explain what is happening, how to reset the system, and how to know when it is not a reset problem anymore. If you own a Ram and want more simple fixes like this, hit subscribe while you are here. This channel is built to help Ram owners save money, avoid dealer traps, and understand their trucks before the repair bill shows up. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand what is actually happening behind the dashboard. In older vehicles, temperature controls use cables and levers. You move the control and the door moved with it. But in modern Ram trucks, the system uses small electric motors called blend door actuators. A blend door actuator moves a little door inside the dash. That door decides how much air passes through the cold evaporator core and how much air passes near the heater core. That is how the truck mixes hot and cold air before it comes out of the vents. If everything is working correctly, you turn the temperature down, the door moves, and cold air comes out. You turn the temperature up, the door moves the other way, and warm air comes out. But when the actuator or climate control module gets confused, the door can stop in the wrong position. That is when you get the weird symptoms. Cold air on the driver's side, warm air on the passenger side, warm air even when the temperature is set to cold, temperature changes that do nothing, or AC that works one day and acts strange the next. This does not always mean the AC is low on refrigerant. The cold side of the system may still be working. The problem is that the blend door is mixing heat back into the air before it reaches your face. That is why a reset can sometimes fix it. You are not adding refrigerant. You are not replacing the compressor. You are forcing the climate system to relearn where the blend doors are supposed to be. The first reset is the simple battery reset. This works on many Ram trucks because it cuts power to the climate control module and lets the system restart fresh. Here is how to do it safely. Turn the truck completely off, take the key out, or if it is push button start, move the key fob away from the truck so it fully goes to sleep. Open the hood and find the battery. You only need to disconnect the negative terminal. That is the black cable with the minus sign. Use the correct wrench, usually a 10 millimeter, loosen the negative terminal, and lift it off the battery post. Make sure the cable cannot fall back and touch the post again. Now wait 2 to 3 minutes. Do not rush this part. You want the modules to fully power down. Some people press the brake pedal a few times while waiting to help drain leftover power from the system. After that, reconnect the negative cable, tighten it down, and start the truck. Turn the climate control on, set the temperature to cold, set the fan speed to medium, and let it run for a few minutes. During this time, you may hear small clicks or movement behind the dash. That can be the actuators recalibrating. If the issue was just a module glitch or lost calibration, the air should start responding normally again. Cold should be cold, hot should be hot. Both sides should behave the way they are supposed to. Now, before you try this, one warning. Disconnecting the battery can reset some settings. Your clock, radio presets, window auto-up features, and other small memory settings may need to relearn. On some trucks, the steering angle or idle behavior may also feel slightly different for a short time while the truck relearns. That is normal. Just drive gently after reconnecting the battery and let the truck settle. The second method is a climate control recalibration. Some Ram trucks can force the HVAC system to recalibrate without disconnecting the battery, but the exact button sequence can vary depending on the year, trim, and climate control layout. On some Dodge and Ram vehicles, you may find a reset or calibration sequence using climate control buttons like defrost, recirculation, temperature up, or temperature down. On trucks with Uconnect screens, there may also be climate control resets through the system settings or service functions depending on the model year. The important part is this: search your exact year, model, and climate control style with the words Ram HVAC recalibration or Ram blend door actuator reset. Do not just use a random sequence from a different truck, because the wrong button combination may do nothing. If your truck has a working recalibration procedure, it will usually make the actuators cycle through their full range. You may hear movement behind the dash as the doors relearn their positions. After the process is done, test the system. Set both sides to the coldest setting and let it run for a few minutes. Then set both sides to hot and make sure the air changes. If you have dual zone climate, test driver side and passenger side separately. One side hot, one side cold, then switch them. That tells you whether the actuators are actually moving. If the reset works, you may have just saved yourself a diagnostic charge. A lot of shops will charge you to look at this, then do a reset, recalibration, or a basic actuator test and send you on your way. I am not saying every shop is dishonest. A good shop deserves to be paid for real diagnosis. But if the fix is a simple reset you can try safely in your driveway, you should know that before handing over money. If this is already sounding like the problem your Ram has, hit subscribe now. I make these videos so owners learn the simple checks before the expensive parts get thrown at the truck. Now let's talk about when a reset is not enough. This part matters because I do not want you resetting the truck 10 times when something is actually broken. Warning sign number 1 is a constant clicking or knocking sound behind the dash. If you hear tick, tick, tick every time you change the temperature or start the truck, that usually points to a bad blend door actuator. The small plastic gears inside the actuator can strip. When that happens, the motor keeps trying to move the door, but it cannot find its position. A reset will not fix stripped gears. The part itself is usually not the expensive part. The labor is what hurts because some actuators are buried deep behind the dash. On some Ram trucks, one actuator is fairly accessible. On others, the repair can be much more involved. Warning sign number 2 is when the reset works for one day, then the problem comes right back. If the air is cold after the reset, but warm again the next morning, that usually means the actuator is failing or the climate control module is losing position again. At that point, the reset proved the door system is involved, but it did not permanently fix the cause. Warning sign number 3 is weak airflow from every vent. If the air barely comes out, that is not usually a blend door calibration problem. That could be a clogged cabin air filter, blower motor issue, resistor problem, blocked evaporator, or a door stuck in the wrong airflow position. Warning sign number 4 is warm air from every vent with no cold air at all, even after the reset. That may be a real AC system problem. Low refrigerant, compressor clutch issue, pressure sensor problem, condenser restriction, or a leak in the system can all cause that. If the reset does nothing and the system never gets cold, then you need proper AC diagnosis. A simple way to separate the problems is this. If airflow is strong but the temperature is wrong or uneven, think blend door, actuator, or calibration. If airflow is weak, think blower, filter, or airflow restriction. If all vents blow warm and never get cold, think refrigerant or compressor system. That is how you avoid guessing. You match the symptom to the system. So here's the full Ram owner checklist. If your AC is blowing warm on one side, cold on the other, or the temperature does not respond correctly, try the reset before assuming the system is low on refrigerant. Start with the battery reset if you are comfortable doing it. Disconnect the negative terminal, wait 2 to 3 minutes, reconnect it, start the truck, and let the climate system recalibrate. If your truck has a specific HVAC button recalibration procedure, you can try that first. It is quicker and does not reset as many other settings. Just make sure you use the correct sequence for your exact Ram year and climate control system. After the reset, test both sides, cold to hot, hot to cold, driver side and passenger side if you have dual zone climate. If everything responds correctly, the problem was likely calibration or a module glitch. If you hear constant clicking, if the reset only works for a short time, if the airflow is weak, or if the AC never gets cold from any vent, stop resetting and diagnose the real problem. That is when an actuator, blower issue, cabin filter, refrigerant leak, or compressor problem may be involved. The point is simple. Not every warm AC problem in a Ram is low refrigerant. Sometimes the truck just needs the climate doors to relearn their positions, and knowing that can save you from paying for a diagnostic before you have even tried the free fix. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. I cover Ram repairs, hidden resets, maintenance tips, dealer tricks, and simple fixes that can save owners real money. Drop a comment with your Ram's year and tell me what your AC is doing. Warm on one side, no temperature change, clicking behind the dash, or weak airflow. I want to see how many owners are dealing with this right now. I will see you in the next one.